Today is March 21st, 2020, and we all are here in village Jamusahi, and which is about 2 hours away from Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa. As you can see, on my backside is the farm area entire, and you will be seeing the details of the farm. We were thinking of doing some investment on return and some under the banner of business's mission that we can do some projects. In India, as we know that the demand for goat meat is extremely high because of cultural reasons, and so we discussed about it and we shared and discussed in A&M office, and some of our friends got interested and our donor friends also, and then the concept we started bouncing around to learn more about that. Among all, we have 9 regions in A&M. Out of that, by God's grace, that South Asia region is more well structured, and having Manoj as our lead person here as the director, as the field director for South Asia, then having other supports that we are here. We have our friend and our cousin Colonel Puri, and who also joined with us and together. So they have now Colonel Puri and Manoj went for the training in the India level. And as of now, roughly around little more than $100,000 have been invested in setting up the farm. And so we have a business return plan also in the process that we expect that within the next 2 years, so this is 2020 now, and by 2022 that we should be having a very good return from this farm. So it is going to be a kind of multi-purpose project, as you see, and ultimately we see that how it is going to succeed. You can see on the left side, our administrative building for the farm is coming along, and there will be an office and also kind of a guest room, and also this should be a sales point. And what else you have in mind?
We have basically the reception part over here.
Yeah.
And then a medical room where we will be having our VS, the veterinary surgeon, who will be coming from time to time. And then all the medicines and vaccines and all those things. And
and we have our main supervisor, Banna Babu, and Banambar Babu, and so he has been the main person here, and this land also belongs to Banna Babu, our driver here, who is Artho, and this area, this land belongs to them, their village. you see the MISMO Enterprises Private Limited, the daily feeding requirements, how it is to be done, and the vaccination schedule is done, and how it would be done very well. And this is where, as I point out, so different sections of different types of goats and different age group. This is the zone which will be kind of secluded. And here the was deep your feet shows here, which means because there is potassium permanganate in the water, and so no one should go without dipping the feet or cleaning the feet. Here is Adit, Manoj's son, and I call him the hero. And so he has come also all the way from Delhi, and it is hot weather now. You can see me sweating already. And so he has also spent days with his dad and setting up the farm and helping in a daily basis is the travel back and forth, because procuring goats also is not an easy thing. So right now we are having how many varieties?
Right now we are having two varieties. One is called the Black Bengal that comes from the eastern part of Orissa, and the other one is called Ganjam, which comes from the western part of Orissa.
So why did you decide about these two varieties?
Well, after taking the training at CIRG, which is the Central Institute for Research on Goats, so their advice and their research says for Orissa and the climate, the humidity which is there, and the cyclone rains, everything that covers Orissa, so these are the two breeds which are very, very resistant to waterborne diseases.
Yeah, this is nice. It's nice as you see that what are the daily work to be done.
And whoever is going to do, his name will be put on the gray.
Okay.
part over there.
Okay. So this is written in Oriya language, and so because the workers here will be the Oriya workers, and so total schedule is done in a day how they should clean, and to clean the water pot and the things, and how to take care of each goat, and that is also done here. Oh, this is the Black Bengal.
This is the Black Bengal buck. And family is Bovidae, meaning the hoof is parted.
Okay.
So the genus is Capra agricus hercus.
So this is the buck, the he goat. You know, he's going to grow much bigger. How old is he, do you think?
Less than 2 years. It's
Okay.
not yet actually. We are waiting for the animal to come on heat and then.
Okay. We have our the local from the veterinary department. They also support us. Bahapur, the medical, the veterinary department. So they are also supporting and guiding us about how to rear goats. And so today is a special day, and so they are also present with us, and we are thankful. Thank you very much. So now the goats, this is how it is done. How many sections you have done? This is.
These are done as per our requirement.
Yeah.
We thought we will have one section. We found more than 2 males. They fight the whole night.
This is their feeding tray. Feeding tray, and which is they'll be feeding, and the feed is given. And here is their watering hole, the water tank.
This is basically painted with lime.
Yeah.
And the lime helps the chloride to clean up the water.
Yeah, the Ganjam variety, and so they are quite resistant to and good for the present weather. And so as you see, different sections for different breed and different category. So the little one, the bigger one, and then the pregnant one also will be in different sections.
Now we separate cordulus pregnant or you see those with the red band, they are pregnant, they will get the kids here in the farm. So we got some because this we planned, but before our planning, 3 days ago this was born.
Oh.
So this was supposed to be born in our farm.
Yes, yes. Reshma, go give Papa.
So this is so cute. So cute. And you are going to grow up soon. This is our own water supply source, and own water supply source, and our main power line, which has come, and then the water is raised up to the top, and we have the bore well there, and the water is raised up, and so then we don't have any problem of water. And also we have power backup system, and as you can see right there is the Napier grass field outside of this boundary wall. There is also our land, in total around 5 acres that we are dealing now. And so yeah, on the back, we have the cashew plantation, and so this grass is special grass which is very good. Sincerely thankful to all our friends in A&M and our donors, and that with your cooperation this is going to be a success, and we trust on the Lord for that.